Okay, so this is just a quick video to go over the highlights of your academic discipline plan. It's mainly for kids that missed the first day of school and aren't sure what's going on. That way you can look at this and see what you missed. Okay, course description. We are going to talk about a lot of geometry topics. Obviously, it's geometry. We will see how those geometry topics work in the real world. Every chapter we're going to try and do a project that shows how geometry is related to the real world. So some of you will like those. They should be some hands-on experiences. And then I will have to throw in some Algebra 1 reviews. There is still a lot of algebra that's used in geometry. All right, grading system. You have tests that are 100 points each. You'll have 3 to 4 tests per quarter. You are allowed to do corrections, and you can get up to half your points. So if you got an 80%, you've missed 20 points, so you can gain half of those points back. Quizzes are going to be 20 to 75 points. There will be some vocabulary quizzes. We're going to actually do a lot of quizzes with vocabulary stuff with Quizlet, which we'll get into later. And then open notebook. But if we have a vocabulary quiz, it is not an open notebook. You need to learn your vocabulary. Geometry is all about that vocab. Notebook checks are going to be 20 to 45 points each, and those are done whenever you take a test. Projects will be 50 to 200 points. Again, we're going to have projects every chapter. So depending on the depth of the project, the difficulty of it, it will be how many points. Extra credit opportunities will be between 5 and 10 points each. Apps and websites that we use. My website, MissRazorMath.com. You should be very familiar with that. There's a lot of resources. I spend a lot of time making that nice, so I would like you guys to access that. We will be doing big ideas online, so you can do your homework assignments online. I use the Remind app, so it'll send you text messages. Quizlet, which is a vocab thing, which is huge, and we'll actually spend some time going over it in class. And then Twitter, I will be saying students of the month or students of the week, like if you get an A on different things, test, and the monster wall, and I'll be doing different pictures and stuff on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter. Okay, traveling and missing school. It's very helpful if you let me know ahead of time if you're missing school. It's great if you could take something if possible. With this geometry class, we are going faster than normal ones, so if you miss a week, it's actually like missing 2 weeks. We miss a lot of stuff, and it would be difficult to catch up sometimes. Missing work is required to be made up. If you're gone, you still got to learn the material. Class does not stop because you are gone, so you need to make sure that you come in. Traveling for school activities and sports, please tell me ahead of time so that you can take homework, tests, and quizzes with you if possible. So here's the Remind app. If you want to go ahead and send me a text message at the number 81010 and then at RazorGeo, and then you're going to reply with your name. Okay, so everybody go ahead and take that so that you can get on the Remind app. Fire drill location, we will talk about that, or you should know, but it's out. You go down the stairs away from counseling office. You cannot go down those stairs. You go down the stairs near the totem pole. We go straight out, and we go out in between the swimming pool and the bear outside, and we must be on the sidewalk. You come find me. I will have my yellow sign that says Miss Razor. Come find me. You're going to turn in work in the bin that says 3-4 geometry. You can get worksheets in the black file cabinet that says geometry. On the back board, there's going to be our learning targets that we're working on, and then it'll tell you when your test, quizzes, and projects are due. Technology corner at the front of the room when you come in, it has the bring your own device guidelines. It tells you what the rules are of that. It tells you when or not you're allowed to use your phone. It also has some websites and other applications that might be helpful to you. Passes, you're going to be given 3 bathroom passes per quarter. I will not let you go. We need to make sure that we're in class more than we are out of class. Food and drink. Food and drink are okay until it becomes an issue. If you are tardy, though, you are not allowed to have food or drink. So make sure you come to class on time. And that's it. Geometry should be fun. It's only a semester. When you finish this, a lot of you are going to be done with math for your high school career. So buckle down, do your work, and let's have some fun and learn.